Hey there, this is Ryan Skaggs. Are you a first-time home buyer? Well, this video series is for you. So today we're going to talk about, kind of in the first video, we're going to have a basic understanding of the introduction of down payment assistance being a first-time home buyer. Number two, we're going to talk about the benefits of home buying, understanding return on investment, some things like that. Number three, we're going to talk about down payment. In the third video. Number four, we're going to talk about finding the right grants, finding down payment assistance, how you do that, what you ask, who qualifies. And number five, give you some real life examples of first-time home buyers that I've dealt with in the past. So to get into today's video, we're going to talk about basically an introduction of grants and how they work. So I've got some words behind me here, some things to understand, some vocabulary. First is DPA, and you're going to see down payment assistance. So down payment assistance can be either a grant, meaning that it is typically, I would define the grant as funds that are given to you that are not repaid, right? A grant typically would be forgivable of some kind. That next word that you want to see is recapture. What you want to better understand in the down payment assistance world, or how to get down payment assistance, is what do I owe back and for how long? What are the strings attached? What's the small print? For instance, a recapture, I could explain that in the state of Illinois, they have a program today. It is mid-June. That is $6,000 that is fully forgiven after 5 years. That means 60 months is the recapture. So you want to better understand, hey, well, what happens if I refinance or sell the home after 2.5 years? Maybe I don't make it all 5. What happens? Do I owe that whole amount back? Well, in this case, in this program that I'm speaking about, it's prorated, meaning that if you got $6,000, you made it halfway, you owe $3,000 back when you sell or refinance. So one of the nice parts is that if you're looking to refinance and you have down payment assistance, you can always roll it into the loan amount, meaning you don't have to bring that money to the table. But if you are selling the property, it's going to come off of that final net proceeds number. So something to consider there. And then the last one, FTHB. A lot of lenders, we love to use our lingo, but first-time home buyer. So there's a lot of first-time home buyer programs out there. Maybe they're not down payment assistance. Maybe they just provide a lower than market rate. Maybe they provide some sort of other additional benefit, maybe like no mortgage insurance or something like that. In the case of conventional loans, you could get as little as 3% down if someone is a first-time home buyer, so which is great, and it gives you a lower than market interest rate. Now, you don't get any money in the down payment assistance or the grant, as I had mentioned before, but these are the vocabulary words you really want to better understand in speaking with a lender and coming in as a first-time home buyer. So I've got a whole nother series about things to consider in purchasing the home as a first-time home buyer, but this series is going to be really looking into down payment assistance grants, how to come in and be a first-time home buyer in terms of down payment, the benefits, as I mentioned, how to find those grants, and then the success stories or the real-life examples of those that have been in your shoes before. So keep tuning in to the next video.